With this video, we will see how to pay for a tour on Conde Travel. First, we need to go to www.condetraveladventures.com. Search and select the tour we would like to buy. Once inside the tour we want to buy, on the right side we can see a green button that indicates Booking below the price. We will click and then a small pop-up will appear with all the payment methods that we accept, such as credit card, PayPal, Bitcoins, Ethereum. We will have to click on credit card. Immediately after, it will appear a calendar. In here, we select the date in which our tour will begin. In my case, my tour will begin on the 4th of July, so I select the 4th of July. In lines below, we can see the day and date of our tour. Also, the start time of the tour. We will have to click on the time of the tour. And then, a new window will appear, where we will have to select the amount of people. In my case, I will put 2 people. We click in Continue, and we will get a window where we must put the data of the people who are going to make the tour with us. It will ask us name, surname, company name in case we are booking by one of our partners, gender, passport number, nationality, day of birth, special requirements too. For example, if you're a vegetarian or a vegan, you should put it on the special request box, or any other concern that you would have. It's important that you give us your hotel name or flight data also, date and time of arrival. And finally, we would like to tell us how did you find us. Once finished, we give in Continue. The next window that will come out is optional activities that have our tour. For example, the bus back and forth to the citadel of Machu Picchu. You can climb the mountain of Huayna Picchu, or you can also spend the night in Jactapata, climb the mountain of Machu Picchu. You can do rafting or zip line. So this platform is for you to choose any of these activities if you would like to do them. For us to add any of these activities, we click on the plus sign if we want to add the activity to our tour. It will appear a small window where we must select with a click to which of the participants the optional activity will be added. If they are all of them, in my case, 2 of them, we click on each one and we select them. Immediately after, we go to Checkout. This is where we need to put an address mail where we will get the vouchers of payment, as well as the itinerary. Here you can see everything I added to my tour and the total amount of it. In my case, I will put my address, my mail address, which is paolo15@gmail.com. Lines below, we can appreciate a summary of everything we are buying, such as optional activities, the tour, as well as taxis. We give a check-in in I accept the terms of service. And if we would like to read the terms of service, we click on them. It will tell us about the contract, the reservations, the payments, and such. We accept the terms and click on Pay Now, where we will get a new window. And in here, we will have to type the number of our card, also the expiration date, and also the name of the representative. You will also have to add the CVC key found on the back of the card. Once we have filled in this information, we will click Pay Now. And our purchase will be made successfully.